Today we're making sunflower and sesame seed guacamole. You just need a few ingredients: 1 small avocado, raw sunflower seeds, extra virgin olive oil, optional shredded iceberg lettuce, your favorite chips. These are spinach and kale. I start by cutting my avocado and placing it into a bowl. I mash the avocado, and then I will add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and a little bit of salt, just a pinch. I continue to mash until it's smooth, and then I will add my chopped sunflower seeds. I'm using 1 tablespoon. Then I add my sunflower seeds and stir to combine. Next, I add my everything but the bagel seasoning. This has regular sesame seeds in it, as well as black sesame seeds. I like to add shredded lettuce. You can leave the lettuce out if you don't like it. I serve this with chips, but celery sticks would be great, or carrot sticks. This recipe is delicious. I really hope you give it a try. It's a great way to incorporate your sesame and sunflower seeds.